Hey ladies, thank you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday no makeup look. Good for pretty much any occasion. And this specific occasion I was on my way to church. And yeah, first you have to start off by priming your face. Put those contacts in, take those glasses off, and sprit your Too Faced hangover. Beauty Blender foundation, only appropriate if you beauty blend the rest of it in. Tarte Shape Tape and Color Light. I definitely probably use way too much of this, but it conceals the fact that I don't get much sleep. Again, using a teeny tiny beauty blender. Now I'm going in with my Gwen Stefani Urban Decay palette, which I found at Nordstrom Rack for like $12. I'm doing a neutral color right above my brow bone, and now I'm going in right into the crease. I can't talk today. Right into the crease with a little bit of a deeper color, just to give my green eyes a little bit of a pop. Adding some pink sparkle right there. It's a little bit sheer, but I pack it on just so that way I get a little bit more color. And now I'm going in with a darker shadow in my liner. I don't want to use a gel liner and I don't want to use a stick or anything like that because I don't want it to be too harsh. Now I'm gonna go in and bronze my face, act like I'm contouring, but I didn't want to use like my contouring palette because I don't want it to be too harsh. I really want it to be super soft, and I like using this instead of my Anastasia contour. Don't forget the nose because I have a big AF nose. So I gotta contour that beach. Tarte blush, I'm obsessed with this one. I'm gonna have to post it in the link below. Ooh, and this highlighter is poppin'. Look at that, look at that. That shit's banging. Oh my goodness, love it. Anastasia brow pencil in taupe is amazing. And those lip colors are from Morphe. I just went to their store and bought them out. Love, love, love. Now straight hair because that's the look I've been rocking lately. And that is the end of my no makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time.